Empire State Building secrets. How this engineering marvel was built in record time. What if I told you that in 1945, a high-speed bomber crashed into one of the most iconic buildings in the world, the Empire State Building? Imagine the chaos. A massive fire, engines damaged, elevators destroyed, and parts of the building in ruins. Yet despite all of this, the Empire State stood tall. How? The answer lies in a construction feat so impressive, it might just leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about this skyscraper. What happened next was nothing short of miraculous, and possibly even more incredible than the building itself. Stick around as we dive deeper into the incredible story behind this astonishing event. You won't believe the hidden truths and the shocking resilience of the Empire State Building. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next chapter in this unbelievable tale. In the heart of New York, where the skyline gleams with giants, the Empire State Building stands as a monument of both ambition and resilience. But what if I told you that behind its towering structure lies a story of impossible feats and hidden secrets? In just 13 months, workers built this steel giant, using 210 steel columns as its backbone. 12 of those columns stretched uninterrupted all the way to the top. But getting those massive steel beams into place wasn't easy. Picture this: cranes lifting them 30 floors at a time, and sometimes stacking them to reach the 70th floor. The process was so mesmerizing that passers-by stopped in awe as the columns were carefully aligned and raised into place using a clever rope trick. Then came the riveting. Hundreds of thousands of rivets, each securing the steel framework, and a team of 4 men worked in flawless coordination to make it happen. But here's the real mystery. Even the person tossing the rivets from below played a crucial role in the process. And the design? It was far from simple. As the building rose, the floors got smaller, giving it the appearance of even greater height. The architects, competing with the nearby Chrysler building, decided that making the building seem taller was just as important as making it the tallest. But the Empire State wasn't always supposed to be this tall. Initially planned for 50 floors, fierce competition led to 15 design changes, and the result was a skyscraper that would hold the title of the world's tallest for nearly 4 decades. The story behind the Empire State is filled with breakthroughs, challenges, and a drive to create something unimaginable. What really makes this building stand out is not just its height, but the incredible journey it took to reach the sky. The battle for the tallest building in the world between the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building was nothing short of legendary. Chrysler claimed the title first, but only for 11 months. Despite losing the crown, it remains one of the most beautiful skyscrapers, especially when lit up at night. Meanwhile, the Empire State went on to hold the title of the tallest building in the world for an astounding 40 years. But what made it stand out wasn't just its height, it was the incredible engineering behind its creation. The floors of this monumental structure were made of simple terracotta blocks, locked together in a perfect geometric pattern that made them remarkably strong. Even under weight, the structure held firm, reinforced by a layer of concrete. As we move up the building, things get even more fascinating. The initial design of visible columns made the exterior look raw, but the introduction of spandrel beams transformed the facade, hiding the columns and creating a sleek, polished look. Indiana limestone was used to create the building's striking exterior, combined with glass windows and aluminum framing to form the iconic curtain wall design. But here's the real shocker. All of this was completed in just 13 months. How? The answer lies in unprecedented planning. While some areas were still being demolished, others were already being built, from the steel skeleton to the office spaces. The result? A masterpiece constructed faster than anyone could have imagined, a true feat of engineering and coordination. The story behind the Empire State is filled with breakthroughs, challenges, and a drive to create something unimaginable. What really makes this building stand out is not just its height, but the incredible journey it took to reach the sky. From overcoming fierce competition to pushing the boundaries of architectural design, every aspect of its creation was a testament to innovation and resilience. As we dive deeper into its construction, you'll discover just how the unthinkable became reality, how a vision, driven by determination, transformed into one of the world's most iconic landmarks. As the construction of the Empire State Building continued at an astonishing pace, one of the key factors that contributed to its rapid completion was the perfection of prefabricated structures. Every hole, every measurement had to be meticulously planned and cut at the factory before being transported to the construction site. To keep things moving efficiently, 500 trucks delivered materials to the site every single day. If one truck was delayed, it would simply be replaced by another the next day. But the most innovative solution came in the form of a railway system. Yes, a rail track running across the site to transport materials up the building. The key to completing this colossal project in record time? The parallel execution of various construction tasks. What's astonishing is that excavation for the Empire State began even before the demolition of the previous building was finished. While the steel columns were still being erected on the upper floors, the facade of the building was already being built on the lower levels. Meanwhile, office interiors and flooring were being worked on simultaneously, ensuring no time was wasted. Over 3,400 workers were employed, each playing a crucial part in this perfectly orchestrated construction symphony. This level of coordination and technical prowess resulted in the Empire State being completed in just 13 months, an achievement unimaginable even by today's standards. But there was one last challenge: how to get people to the highest floors with the least number of elevator stops. The solution? The elevator system was divided into 7 sections, each covering a part of the building's height. And while these elevators were a marvel of engineering, they took up a significant portion of the building's floor space, leaving much less room for offices. Let's take a look at the foundation, where it all began. With the building weighing an estimated 365,000 tons, the foundation had to be deep and sturdy. It was set 17 meters below ground, anchored into New York's solid bedrock. This foundation was designed to bear the weight of this colossal structure, and it's no wonder that many other skyscrapers in the area are built on similar solid ground. The true power and resilience of the Empire State Building were proven during the 1945 bombing accident. The impact of the crash was enormous, but despite the damage, the building was reopened just a week later. This event highlighted the sheer strength and endurance of the Empire State, its ability to withstand immense forces and keep standing tall. This monumental feat of engineering and design has left a lasting mark on the world. The Empire State Building isn't just a building, it's a symbol of what humans can achieve when they push the boundaries of possibility. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more secrets behind this iconic landmark. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.